Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about Amazon Parentage tips every seller needs to know. Let's get into it. Parentage on Amazon is a powerful tool, but it's also one of the most complex aspects of catalog management. If you're not sure whether to merge or separate listings, you're not alone. Many sellers struggle with deciding how to structure their product variations, and making the wrong choice can impact sales, rankings, and conversions. On Amazon, parent-child relationships allow customers to view multiple variations of the same product in one listing. This can make shopping easier, increase visibility, and consolidate reviews. However, not every product should be parented together, and sometimes separating listings is the better move. One of the most common questions sellers ask is whether combining listings will help with ranking. If you have several variations and some are performing better than others, you might think that merging them will boost the weaker products by sharing reviews. While that can sometimes work, it's not always a good idea. If you combine strong listings with weaker ones, the weaker variations can take attention away from the top sellers, potentially reducing their visibility in search results. Amazon's search algorithm is another key factor to consider. When two separate listings are performing well for the same keyword, merging them can actually reduce their exposure. Amazon typically does not display multiple variations from the same parent listing in search results for the same keyword at the same time. That means if you merge two top sellers, only one variation may show up, and you could be cutting your visibility in half. On the other hand, when launching a brand new product, it often makes sense to merge it with an existing listing, especially if it's a direct variation, like a new color or size. This can help the new product gain traction faster by leveraging the existing listing's rankings and reviews, but this approach works only when the variations are truly related. If the products are too different, merging them could confuse customers and lower conversions. Another overlooked issue with parentage is its effect on external traffic. Parent listings can rank in Google search results, and making sudden changes like deleting a parent ASIN or restructuring the variations can disrupt that traffic. If you rely on organic search traffic from Google, making unnecessary parentage changes could negatively impact your sales. Modifying parentage on Amazon isn't always straightforward. Unlike simple listing edits, parentage changes often require catalog file uploads, and Amazon may not always approve them. In some cases, even if a change is made, Amazon's system may override it based on internal guidelines. This means sellers need to be strategic and precise when deciding whether to merge or split listings. So, how do you decide when to merge or separate listings? If you have two high-performing products ranking separately for the same keyword, keeping them separate can be more beneficial. If a new variation fits naturally into an existing listing, merging it can help improve visibility. But if weaker variations are added to a strong listing in hopes of boosting their performance, there's a risk that it could lower the overall sales of the top-performing products. Parentage should always be used as a strategic tool rather than a way to group products together for convenience. Done correctly, it can improve search visibility, streamline the customer experience, and boost sales. Done incorrectly, it can hurt rankings, affect external traffic, and even cause a drop in conversions. If you have any questions or want help growing your brand on Amazon, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.